this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can browse privately on your Arc browser. The first thing you need to do is to open your Arc browser, and mine is here. Once you open your Arc browser, head over to the left corner here, and then you'll see the symbol of Arc here. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will open up here a variety of options, and among them we have new incognito window. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you'll have a new incognito window pop up, and now you can begin browsing. So if you go ahead and begin your searches, you'll just browse normally. However, this window will be in a private mode or incognito. Now, one thing you have to note is that browsing incognito will prevent Arc browser from storing your information such as your browsing history and your cookies. However, you have to note that information such as your VPN will still be exposed. And if you want to hide your VPN, you may want to go ahead and use third-party apps or tools like VPN to make sure that your VPN is not visible. Now, as you can see, you can perform your searches normally, but if you look here, you can see this browser is in private mode. Should you want to switch between incognito window and the normal window, you can hover over here and you'll see you still have two windows, one the public one and the other one the private one or incognito one. From here, you can either switch between any or you can close any if you so wish. So that's how you switch to private browsing using your Arc browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.